Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Facebook story not showing problem. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open settings of your smartphone and go into the app management and click on the app list. And the first step you simply need to search for the Facebook. Click on that, and here you need to click on storage and cache. The first step you need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage, and then you need to allow all permissions from here. So once you've done that, you simply need to go back and open Play Store and search for the Facebook, and here you can see update. So you simply need to update your Facebook application. So once you've done that, you simply need to go back and log in into your Facebook account, and once you done that, your issue will be resolved. So here you can see that. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.